Hey there. Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send expiring photos on Telegram. Whether you're sharing sensitive information or just having fun, this feature ensures your photo disappears after being viewed. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. This feature works on both Android and iOS, so no worries about your device. Next, select the chat where you want to send the expiring photo. It can be a private chat or even a group chat. For this tutorial, we'll use a private chat. Tap on the paperclip icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to open your media options. Now, select the photo you'd like to send. You can pick one from your gallery or snap a new one using the camera. Before sending, tap the small stopwatch icon near the bottom of your screen. This is where you set the expiration timer for your photo. You can choose how long the photo will be visible after the recipient opens it, 1 second, 5 seconds, 1 minute, and so on. Once you've decided, tap Done. Now just tap the Send button. The photo will appear in the chat with a small timer icon, showing that it's set to expire after being viewed. When the recipient views the photo, the timer starts. Once the time runs out, the photo disappears automatically with no trace. And that's it. Sending expiring photos on Telegram is that simple. It's a great way to keep your conversations private and secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.